For Sybile Art's candy house in size 30 by 44 cm rounds, we start the special treatment with flamingo pearls sprinkled in the red areas on the canvas. So this would be on the large apple as well as the hearts on the candy house. Version 2 for this special treatment adds bubblegum pearls that are sprinkled on all of the pink areas on the canvas. So simply sprinkle it in those areas. You can choose to focus more on, for example, that large candy with a swirl if you'd like, or sprinkle it evenly throughout the entire pink areas on the canvas. Finally, for version 3 of Candy House, we have now added prism pearls in the black background. So simply sprinkle this in the background in the areas that you see with a code, in this case, of M and A. We also have snow pearls, which will be sprinkled in the white areas on the canvas. So this would be mainly on the snow itself.